What up? We're hitting the push day today. It's bench day. I kind of want to die today. I have this doom and despair in my soul. That was so edgy, dude. Shut up. Anyways, I was doing homework in the lounge at my school this morning. Oh, just my school. And the guy who like refills the vending machines was there, and he left this cookie behind for like, and it was sitting there for like an hour and a half. So, little treat before the gym. Obviously. Chip. No, I want that chocolate chip. There's not even one in there. Whatever. That is quite scrumptious. Do this first and then have the cookie so I can have the lasting flavors of the cookie. Very strategic. Cheers, everybody. Here you go. Have a little bite. Let's go bench, guys. Oh my god. How did I do that? Anyway. Bro, I fucking suck. It's like, okay, bro. Yeah, but look at the bench. For one.